Hello everybody, this is Mike Dietrich speaking, and today I would like to give you a quick overview on applying the July 2018 bundle patch to my 12102 database environments. So when we start, I first set my environment correctly, so 12102, and I make sure my databases are shut down, so database is shut down here, that's good. Then I change to my external folder where I have unpacked the patch already. And there I go down to the database patch because the 12102 bundle patch has not only database but also grid infrastructure and other stuff. So first thing is I check that I have the right OPatch version. So it's version 14, that's okay. And then we'll do the pre-check. So it checks the space and everything in the directory. So it takes a few seconds, and once the pre-check is passed, then I can prepare myself for applying the patch. So OPatch succeeded and the pre-check is passed, so that's all good. Now I'm applying the patch with OPatch apply, so I'm located in the directory of the patch for the database and invoke OPatch apply. So it checks now my environment and asks me afterwards if I would like to proceed. Yes, I will. And if the system is ready for patching, yes, I made sure that my databases are shut down and listener shut down and so on, agents, whatever is in this home. And that tells me it will now apply the subpatch and patch the components. There's actually a change between April or previous and July bundle patch. I realized that I have to have the correct OPatch version installed in the Oracle home I'm patching here, as otherwise I will get an inventory error and Aura 20001 with XML repository is not reachable. Usually I use the 18 or 12.2 OPatch in the 12.2 or 18 home. So this is changed now in July. I think it has to do with some directories, in DBA directories, the OPatch folks said, but I didn't analyze this to the root cause. So I just deployed the correct OPatch version into my 12102 home as well, and now it can patch and doesn't get an error anymore when I run data patch. So basically the binary patch application will run fine, but data patch would fail if the OPatch version is not installed in the correct home. So OPatch succeeded, the binary patch is now there. Next step is I have to start my databases. So first I start the DB12 database. It's a simple single instance non-CDB database. So it takes a few seconds until it's started up. So database is started. I can exit and then run datapatch minus verbose. Datapatch verbose applies now the SQL changes associated with the July 2018 bundle patch, and I have to execute this step in all my databases. When it determines the current state, that means it queries now with dbmso QOPatch the inventory, and this step actually will fail if the OPatch version is not installed into this home here. But here, of course, it will work. And it tells me now that the binary is the July 2018 one, but the SQL registry shows only April, and therefore it applies the following patches: the 275-47374 database bundle patch. This is the SQL changes associated with the bundle patch. It installs them, and all is good for this database. But it's not the only database in my environment. I have also a CDB1, so I have to start this up as well. And as the name may get you an idea already about it, it's a container multi-tenant database. And here there's one important extra step necessary. When you patch multi-tenant databases, it's important to make sure that all your PDBs are open. That's why I say all the pluggable database, all open. And then I can exit and invoke datapatch verbose again. And here you see it on the screen already, the node. It tells me that datapatch will only apply a rollback SQL fixes for PDBs that are in open state. That's why I open it. no patches will be applied to closed PDBs, which is obvious, but does have to be mentioned here because it's really important. It determines the current state, which means it queries now the inventory as well again. Takes a few seconds. And here again we have a message now that the July 2018 patch is in the binary registry because I applied it already before patch apply. But the PDBs, CDB$root and PDB$seed, they have only the changes from April, SQL changes. That's why it is installing now the patches into the CDB$root and the PDB$seed. So nothing to roll back, but the following patches will be applied. And once this is completed, my patching has finished. So it takes a few seconds. Now it's done. Validating log files, all good. Tool completed. Fine. Databases are patched. So this is what I wanted to show you. If you need more details, please go to the upgrade blog to mikedietrich.de.com. And here's the link to the right article, or simply check for July 2018 on the search window. That's the fastest way. Thanks and bye-bye.